When I came across this, I thought it was brilliant. It's really, really good. The reason I've shown that is we obviously have a lot of preconceptions that we have to deal with. When we're trying to sell courses to students, when we're trying to sell courses to parents, when we're trying to sell courses to the senior leadership teams of schools, they have these preconceptions. Everything comes with baggage. And going back to the work that you did, the vocational, the academic, people have perceptions of what they are. And we have to try and get over those things. When you talk to any kid talking about engineering, their first thing is it's working on cars. They don't appreciate that it could be anything to do with aerospace, it could be chemical engineering, it could be electrical engineering, it's a whole range, a massive, massive field of engineering. But it's trying to get that across to our students that it isn't just working on cars. The other one is for boys. That's the big thing that we get. Our little daughter doesn't want to do engineering because it's just for boys, isn't it? It's like, no, please. And we do lots and lots of activities to try and recruit girls onto our courses, and we have very, very limited success.